Hello, everyone. It's James Felino here again from the Gold Coast Property Channel, and I'm here to give you the weekly sales results for properties priced under 500K. Last week we did the first video, and there was a lot of positive feedback from it. So we're going to be doing it every week now. And in the past, I haven't really showed apartments, but now definitely I'm going to start showing the good value properties under 500K. So let's get into it. I'll share my screen, and like we start most videos, I'll just give you a snapshot of the auction results. So I'm just sharing my screen now, and as you can see, Australia-wide, we're still very strong, upwards of 83% in most places. It might look that Victoria has dropped a little bit, but if you have a look at their auction volume, it's over 1,000. So you are going to get the clearance rate just dropping slightly. But if you have a look at total sales volume, it hasn't been at that all year. It's nearly at 2,700 properties. So huge numbers, right up there with New South Wales and above Queensland. We're going to go into Queensland. As you can see, you got some good results there, 85% clearance rate and some big numbers with the private sales. Straight into the properties now. Well, this is the first one I'd like to show you. This one's at 25 Brett Avenue in Labrador. This was a 2-bed, 2-bath, but also with double car accommodation. So car parking is becoming more and more scarce on the coast. So to get 2 car parks with an apartment's fantastic. This one here had a low body corporate of 55. It was rented at $350 a week, which again, it could go upwards of that. It was about 99 square meters on the inside, very close to the water. As you can see, that's the floor plan there. And this one here sold $361,000. So very good buying. The next one we're going to look at is this one. It's in Southport. It's at 8097 Edmund Rice Drive, Southport. This one here was a 3-bed, 3-bath, 2-car home. It had solar. It was in a complex with a pool and a tennis court. As you can see, it's been renovated on the inside. It's 3-bedroom. It could be great for a young family. Body corporate, I'm not sure on this one, but this one here sold $390,000. The next one we're going to look at is in a place called Chevron Island. It's a very up-and-coming place. It's just at the back of Surfers Paradise. A lot of development going on there. This one here was a 2-bed. As you can see, 2-bed, single bath. It was renovated. So it has been renovated on this one. It had a low body corporate and was in just a block of 4. So maybe a developer in the future may come knocking on your door. And this one here, Chevron Island, 2-bed, great buying, $340,000. The next one we're going to look at, we're going to go to Kumbaba. We've got this townhouse. This was at 33/402 Pine Ridge Road. This was another 3-bed, 1-bath, 2-car home. This one here had a pool and tennis court in the complex. Body corporate was about $60 per week. And this one here again, so there's the pool and tennis court. This one here sold $410,000. We're going to go back to Chevron Island. We've got this one here. This was at 5/41 Burra Street. There's a pool in the complex. They mentioned that it had a low body corporate. They didn't mention the body corp, aircon. And this one here in Chevron Island, again, with the location that I mentioned before, really great location. This one here sold $394,000. We're going to move to Paradise Point. I don't really have photos on this one, but it was a duplex, so there's only the 1 photo, 2 on the block, so potentially there's no body corporate here. This was a 2-bed, 1-bath, single garage place, but with a car space out the front. And this one here in Paradise Point at number 1/6, Yurrumbula Court, sold $390,000. Couple more to get through. And we've got this one here. This again was Pine Ridge Road. We did mention it earlier. This was at 198/641. So this was in Pine Ridge Road. So this was Bigara Waters. The other one was in Kumbaba, so a little bit closer to the center of the Gold Coast. Again, pool and tennis court in the complex. Body corporate here was 68. This was a 3-bed, 1-bath, 2-car home with aircon. And this one here, townhouse, good buying, sold for $400,000. The last one that we're going to look at is this one over here in Bigara Waters also. We've got this one at 10/9 Loader Street. And it's a 2-bed, 1-bath, 2-car home. This one had a body corporate of $49 and was rented at $350. Again, it's been renovated, as you can see, really nice property, not too far from the Broadwater. And this 2-bedroom unit with a garage sold at $347,000. So I hope that's the lower end of the market. There's some really good buys in there, some really good properties. If you need help finding something like that, we send a list like this out prior to them being sold to our buyers, and then we work for them to try and find them the best deal. If you're interested, don't hesitate to give us a call. Otherwise, good luck with your property hunting. Thanks.